Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to upload a PDF file in the network shared drive in ASP.NET C# application. So here what we'll do, we'll just get a network shared drive, we'll create here, and just assume that you have a NAS network attached server, and we can access that server, and we can keep our PDF uploaded file, and any upload file, PDF document, and as per your requirement you can go through the image also, we can upload into network drive. So step by step we will follow, and please subscribe and like for the more videos. So let me create one folder, network upload. I am giving the name for the folder network upload. I'm going to just share this folder as a network. So go to the more option, there is a properties, sharing, advanced sharing. Click on the advanced share. I'm giving the full permission to access this. Apply, OK, and close. This is my network path. Close. I'm keeping this network path. This is my network path. So now let me check this path is accessible or not. So if you put it like this, you will able to see your path will be accessible. Okay, or it will ask you the username and password for the particular network drive. The network user, whatever the user provided this drive, you have to provide the username and password. First I am going to mount this path to my system. So go to the your my computer, click on this computer. There is a one option is there, map network drive. So click on the map network drive, and you can change just click on the any drive as you want, and here you have to give the path. So this is the path, and you have a username and password you have to provide. Whenever you will finish, it will ask you the username password. I am just sharing with the local, so I am not able to get any error regarding the username and password, so you automatically mount it. So in finally you will get a page like this, means this is my network path inside this one, and I am able to access this one. So whatever the file will upload, that will be uploaded into this path, and this will be in network drive. So first thing what I'll do, I'll just create the Visual Studio. Just I'll open the Visual Studio. So in previous video I already shown the how to install the Visual Studio. So this is my Visual Studio. I'm going to remove this one. So here we can create the new project or without project, and we have to later on we can create the project. So here I'm just going to creating a new project for the upload documents. So here I'm just testing with the ASP.NET. So I'm just selecting this one, ASP.NET web application. If you are not able to find this one, then here you can search ASP.NET web application. So you will be able to find this one, and this one for the Visual Basic. I want the C#. So click on this one and go to the next. So here file upload ASP.NET. I'm giving the name for my project. So this is my project name. This will be the solution name, and which framework I'm using. There is a 4.7.2, 4.8 is also there, 4.81 is also there. And go to the latest one, that will be quite good. So I'm just checking with the 4.8.1. Just click on create. It will ask you the empty project, web form, MVC, and other options are there. I want the empty project. I want to create the pages at my choice. So remove this one HTTPS configuration and just click on create. In my tutorial also you can find the code here. Upload a PDF or file in the network drive, whatever the you want to upload, and there is a step-by-step procedure is given there. So go through the project. So this file is created. Just open the Solution Explorer. If Solution Explorer is not visible in this side, then you can go to the your view, and there is a option Solution Explorer. Solution Explorer, if you click, then you will get this one. Okay. So Solution Explorer is there. Now I am going to create one page. Right click on there, go to the add new item, show templates. I want the web form. Okay. So we using the web form I am going to create. So web form I am just click and give the file name web form 1 or whatever the name you want to give. I'm just leaving the default. So web form 1.aspx. Click on add. So file is created. Now my form is created. Now what I want the one upload file. So go to the view and open the toolbox. So from the toolbox, so go to the standard. There is a file will be there. File upload, file upload. This is a file upload. Just double click or drag and drop. You can drag and drop. You can use as per your one as you want. So this is my file upload. And next, I want one button so that whenever I will click that button, the file will be uploaded. So go there and just click on the button. And if you want to give the name, so you can check the change the text to the upload. And I want one label where I can show the errors. So label. So this is my page. Now, so what I did, I have taken one file upload, then button, then label. Okay. So button name is I have given the text to upload, and now I want to on click function. Two way you can create the on click function. You can go to the design, and here you can double click on the your button. You will able to find the on click is already created. Go to the source. There is a button one dot on click is all created. Or second one, you can type this one on click and you can just create this function. So this is created. Now in this page, automatic on function is created on button click. So whatever the requirement we want the libraries, so we will just call this one. So I want the system using out input output. So using system dot io. Okay. Later on, if we want anything else, then we will add it. So now go to their code. Here I will check that the upload have a file or not. So if condition I am writing here, and here I will write the file upload one dot h file. So file upload one dot h file. Then I'll just try with the try and catch block. Okay, if condition else. Okay, now okay. So I have started with the try block and there is a catch block, exception is there. So any error exception will be there, then it will go to the catch block. So now I'm just creating one string file name is equal to path dot get file name. So I will get the file name from there, and this will upload one dot file name. So it will give you the file name. So after getting the file name, I'll just get the network path. So string network path is equal to, so same as I am writing. So network path is equal to, here I will write the path at the rate double quotes double slash, and I'll copy and paste the path. So this is my path. So I have provided the path with the, already I have a name and directory name is there, so no need to give that. So in single line also we can pass that, plus I have a file name. So this file I'll just put it into the this network path. Okay, so this part is done. Now I have to save this file to my particular network path. So network path and file name I got. Save file to network path. So here I'll just define file to the network path. So file upload one dot save as, and I'll just provide the path. So in this path the file will be the uploaded. Okay, now I want some message, level 1 dot txt text is equal to file is uploaded successfully. So my file is uploaded successfully. If I am getting any exception, then I will go to the catch block, and here I will write the file uploading error. Okay. Or in exception uploading error, or please select a file in hedge. Okay, else condition I will write that. Okay. So error, you can show the error message also with the exception. So I better to show the error message with exception. And else condition, I'll write the this else condition coming from the this has a file, means that if you are not selecting any file, then I will just give you the error like please select a file. Okay, so let me debug this one. First let me build the solution. So build is completed. Now let me open. So start without debugging. So this is the page. So there is an option. First let me click the upload button. So please select a file, because this is coming because of this condition, upload if condition. else condition I have written this one. So now I'll go by side. So I'll keep this one in one side and this code is on another side. So here I am selecting one file, document, any of the document file. Okay. So there is a document file. If I'll click to the upload, it should be uploaded into my network drive. So this is the network path I have mounted there. So click on this one, file uploaded successfully. You can check file is uploaded here. What type of files you are allowing, that is depend upon you. So you can upload the file, multiple types of file you can upload. So just I am uploading one more PDF file. Just click on upload. So you can able to see there is a file is uploaded. So in this video we have learned how to upload a file. So I'll go through the step by step and I'll show you the how we did. So first step we created the file upload ASP.NET project. Then after creating the project, we have created the web form.aspx, and inside the web form.aspx there is a file web form.aspx.cs. In this file we have written the code, and web form.aspx we have written the code to for the uploading the, give me a second, yeah. So this file is created. Here I have created one file upload option, and there is a one button, there is a one label for the error and message, success message, for I'm creating one label. And go to the your web form.aspx cs. Here I have added the using system.io, and on click we have created button one underscore click. First step we are checking the file has file or not. If not have file, don't have file, then we will go to the level1.txt. We have write the error message on that, please select a file. And here we have written the try and catch block. In try block we have getting the file name, then we are getting the network path, then we have the save edge in the into the network path, and we creating the this one the message. So file uploaded successfully. So in this video we have learned how to upload a PDF file in network shared drive in ASP.NET C#. So please subscribe and like for the more videos. Don't forget to follow, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.